Hello students, good morning. Next we solve next question. Same exercise, that is 9.5 exercise. We try to solve question number 6. That is x dy minus y dx is equal to root x square plus y square dx. Okay, very important question. You know that x dy, shift this term to the right hand side ले जाइए इसे, then you can take dx common, y plus root x square plus y square. Now can you tell me what is the value of dy by dx? dy by dx, dividing both side by x, y by x plus root 1 plus y by x whole square. Again same work in every question. Let y by x is equal to v. Then put the value of dy by dx. v plus x dv by dx is equal to v plus 1 plus v square. v to v cancel. Separate the variable. 1 upon root 1 plus v square dv is equal to 1 by x dx. Integration formula you know, 1 upon root x square plus a square, that is the formula. Log v plus root 1 plus v square is equal to log x plus c. Now put the value of v, log y by x plus y square by x square is equal to log x plus c, right? The log x, then constant term you can write log c, that is log c. Now take LCM. LCM of here x, we can write log y plus root x square plus y square upon x. This is equal to log x plus log c. The log n by log n, that is log y plus root x square plus y square minus log x, that is log x plus c. You can write log y plus x square plus y square, shift this quantity there, that is 2 log x. You can see 2 log x plus log c, and 2 log x you can write log x square plus log c, and log m plus log n, log cx square. On comparing y plus x square plus y square, that is equal to cx square. This is the answer of this question. Correct? Check again. Very important question. Clear? Correct. Next, question number 10. One plus e to the power x by y dx is equal to e to the power x by y minus 1 dy. Correct. This is second type. We cannot convert this question in the form of dy by dx. तो ये dx by dy में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा. बताइए dx by dy is equal to e to the power x by y minus 1 upon 1 plus e to the power x by y. In this question you have to let इस क्वेश्चन में x by y लेट करना पड़ेगा. Let x by y is equal to v. It was the complete question in the form of y x by y. Therefore x is equal to vy. Differentiate both sides with respect to y. V as it is derivative y1 plus y as it is derivative of v, that is dv by dy. Now put the value of dx by dy here. Put the value of dx by dy. V plus y dv by dx is equal to e to the power v minus 1 upon 1 plus e to the power v. Therefore y dv upon dy, shift this term, इसको right hand side ले जाइए, e to the power v minus 1 upon 1 plus e to the power v minus v. Now we can take LCM. You can take here LCM, that is y dv by dy is equal to, take LCM, 1 plus e to the power v LCM, correct? Okay. The e to the power v into v minus e to the power v plus v minus v e to the power v. You can check. 1 plus v, when you multiply minus v ev, correct? Okay. Now you know that this term will cancel. Take common, minus v plus e to the power v upon 1 plus e to the power v. Now variable separable. You can write 1 plus e to the power v upon v plus e to the power v dv is equal to minus 1 upon y dy. This is the solution of this question. Now you know that the derivative of denominator is present in the numerator. If you let v plus e to the power v is equal to t, then the derivative of this, the derivative v1, the derivative of e to the power v, it means derivative of this denominator present in the numerator. Direct you can write, that is log v plus e to the power v is equal to minus log c plus log y plus log c. You know that this is equal to log m by n c by y. On comparing v plus e to the power v is equal to c by y. What is the value of v? The value of v, you know, x by y plus e to the power x by y is equal to c by y. Multiplying both sides by y, x plus y e to the power x by y is equal to c. This is answer. Check again. Very important question, 10th. Clear? Next, this is question number 10. Now we start. In question number 11 to 15, find the particular solution. Particular solution means the solution free from arbitrary constant. Firstly, solve the differential equation. Then after that, with the help of initial value, find the value of C. Then put the value of C in the answer. That is the particular solution of the differential equation. Now we solve one question. Question number 12. That is x square dy plus xy plus y square dx is equal to 0 when y is equal to 1, x is equal to 1. Find the particular solution. Right? Therefore, you can write x square dy is equal to minus xy plus y square dx. So therefore, what is the value of dy by dx? Dy by dx, dividing both sides by x, minus y by x minus y by x whole square. Correct? Dividing both sides by x square. Now you know that let y by x is equal to b, the same work, y is equal to xp. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to x, derivative of v dv by dx, v as it is derivative of x1. Here. Now put the value of dy by dx here. X dv by dx plus v is equal to minus v square. Clear? Therefore, you can say x dy by dx, shift this quantity to the right hand side. That is minus 2v minus v square. Now separate the variable. 1 upon v square plus 2v dv is equal to minus 1 by x dx. Then integrate. Correct? And you know that it is the type 1 upon quadratic. Make it perfect square. Add and subtract. Integration 1 upon v square plus 2v. Add and subtract 1. Add and subtract 1 minus log x plus c. You know that this is the perfect square of v plus 1 whole square minus 1 dv is equal to minus log x plus c. Therefore, formula, can you tell me 1 upon integration 1 upon x square minus a square, x square minus a square. That is formula, you know. 1 upon 2a log x minus a. It means v, that is v plus 2 is equal to minus log x plus c. Correct? Now multiplying by 2 both sides. Put the value of v, y by x. Y by x, that is y by x plus 2, that is minus 2 log x plus 2c. Right? When you simplify, it becomes, that is y upon y plus 2x. And this is equal to, you can say, in this place you can write log c. Log c, it means log c upon x square. Log c upon x square. Correct? On comparing, y plus 2x is equal to c upon x square. Cross multiplying, x square y is equal to c y plus 2x. Now find the value of c with the help of this. Find the value of c. Put x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. When you put here 1, 1, that it will become 1, 1, 1, it will become 3. So therefore you can say The value of c is 1 by 3. Put the value of c. Put the value of c in equation number first. Put the value of c in equation number first. Therefore, x square y is equal to 1 by 3 y plus 2x. Therefore, 3 x square y is equal to y plus 2x. This is the answer. Clear? This is the solution of question number 12. This is a particular solution, you can say. This is particular solution. This. Next, rest question all are very easy and same. Question number 14. dy by dx minus y by x plus cosec y by x is equal to 0. And into that y is equal to 0, x is equal to 1. Find the particular solution in this question. Already question in the standard form, then let y by x is equal to v. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx. Put the value of dy by dx here. That is v plus x dv by dx minus v plus cosec v is equal to 0. This will cancel. Therefore, x dv by dx is equal to shift there minus cosec, यानी 1 by sin you can write. Now separate the variable. Sin v dv is equal to minus 1 upon x dx. Integrate. The integration of sin v you know very well. That is minus cos v is equal to minus cos x plus, you can write here c. Now can you tell the value of c here? What is the value of y? V. Y by x minus log x plus c. Put y is equal to 0, x is equal to 1. For particular solution, find the value of arbitrary constant c. What is the value of y here? 0, cos 0 you know, cos 0 1. And when you write here 1, log 1 0 you know, c. The value of c is 1. Put in first. Put in first. Therefore, minus cos y by x is equal to minus log x minus c. That is multiplying both sides by minus. That is the answer. Cos y by x is equal to log x plus value of c you know minus 1. This is the answer. This is the answer of this question. Clear? Check. Clear? Therefore, your homework, try to solve this exercise. This exercise is very important exercise from the examination point of view. This exercise needs very hard work practice, because in this exercise the integration, mostly integration used. Okay, thank you.